In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Google AdSense to your GoDaddy website using the Sitekit by Google plugin. We'll keep things simple and move step by step, so by the end, you'll have AdSense properly connected and ready to start displaying ads on your site. First, let's quickly cover what we're doing and why. Google AdSense lets you show ads on your website and earn money when visitors see or interact with those ads. To get AdSense working, Google gives you a special code that needs to be placed inside the head section of your site's code. Instead of copying and pasting this code manually, which can be confusing or risky if you're not comfortable editing code, we'll use the Sitekit by Google plugin. This plugin automatically links your AdSense account and places the code in the correct spot for you. Today, I'll show you how to install the Sitekit plugin on your GoDaddy hosted WordPress site and connect it to your AdSense account. Before you begin, make sure your website is running on WordPress through GoDaddy and that you have access to your WordPress dashboard. It's also helpful if you already have a Google account and an AdSense account or are ready to create one during the process. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard from your GoDaddy account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the plugins option in the menu. Hover over it and click on Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins to add functionality to your site. In the search bar in the upper right, type Sitekit by Google. The official plugin should appear in the results with Google listed as the author. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one, then click Install Now. After a few seconds, the button will change and give you the option to activate. Go ahead and click Activate to turn the plugin on for your site. Once Sitekit is activated, you'll see a new Sitekit menu item in your WordPress dashboard. I'm going to walk you through how to use that to connect AdSense. Click on Sitekit, then follow the on-screen prompts to start the setup. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and grant the necessary permissions so Sitekit can access your AdSense data and connect it to your website. During the setup flow, look for the option to connect AdSense. If you already have an AdSense account, you can select it and confirm the connection. If you don't, Sitekit will guide you through creating a new AdSense account. Take your time with these screens, making sure your site URL is correct and that you agree to the AdSense program policies. Once everything is connected, Sitekit will automatically insert the AdSense code into the head section of your website, so you don't need to edit any files manually. This is the key advantage of using Sitekit. It handles the technical placement of the code for you. After the connection is complete, give AdSense some time to review and approve your site if it's new to the program. Ads may not appear right away. You can come back to the Sitekit area in your WordPress dashboard to check connection status and see basic AdSense statistics once data starts coming in. I'll show you the easiest way to keep things running smoothly. Just leave Sitekit activated and avoid installing other plugins that also try to insert AdSense code so you don't end up with duplicates. With that, you've successfully added Google AdSense to your GoDaddy website using Sitekit by Google.